topics, which is conditional processing. So in the conditional processing, uh, we have three objectives. Okay, in this uh, topic, we will discuss the use if then else statement to process data conditionally. Okay, and then use do and statement to execute multiple statement conditionally, and use the length statement to control length of character variables. So all these statement is used to actually uh, to subsetting lah, to in order to subset the data lah. Okay, so maybe there's some data that maybe that we have to uh, add, or maybe we have to uh, uh, suppress. Okay, suppress means the deletes lah. Okay, uh, from the previous data set. Okay, so we are using previously are using the subsetting method by using the where statement, if statement. Okay, now we proceed with if then. Okay, so if then else ni kita boleh gunakan untuk ni lah, subset the data. Maksudnya kita ambil sebahagian data from the original data, kita hanya ambil sebahagian based on conditions. Okay, based on conditions. So previously actually we have learned it, but just in the form of if and where. Okay, jadi kita menggunakan if dan where saja. Okay, but now we are using if then ataupun if then else. Okay, and then the others yang itulah do. Okay, and then length, do and. Okay. Okay, so let's say we have this business scenario in which we have to use if then. Okay, kita kena menggunakan if then conditional ataupun do then. Okay, do and. Okay, and length. Okay, so for example, we have these situations in which management plans to give its sales employee a bonus based on his or her job title. So previously we are giving the bonus based on, kalau yang sebelum ni discussion kita sebelum ni based on salary saja. Okay, based on the hire date. Okay, based on hire date. But now kita based on job title. Okay, based on job title, and we know job title there are several numbers of category. Okay, so kalau kategori kita tak boleh bagi macam it's like what we have done in the previous. Okay, in the 11.1. Okay, we are just using less than or equal, less than, larger than. Okay, because of what? Date itu dalam bentuk numbers. So numbers itu kita boleh letak lah, less than, larger than, and so on lah, or equals. Okay, jadi for this kind of variables, okay, in which kalau kita buat for example the assignment statement, sebelum ni kita gunakan assignment statement bonus equals. Okay, so kalau assignment statement in which we have to give to the category, based on category. Okay, job title ni category, categorical, it is categorical variables. So kita tak boleh gunakan less than or larger than. Okay. So what we do is we have to use, for example, this is our considerations. We have to use itulah if else. Okay. If else. Okay. So for example, this is our consideration in which kita bagi bonus itu on the specific amount of bonus, different amount of bonus. Kalau sebelum ni kita bagi sama je based on dia punya higher date, kan? But now we are giving to the job title yang dalam bentuk kategori. Okay, kalau sebelum ni dalam bentuk nombor. Okay, dan kategori pula we are giving the difference bonus. Okay, different amount of bonus. Ini we have to do another type of maksudnya statement. Jadi kita menggunakan if else, okay, ataupun if then, okay. We are using if then, okay. Kalau kata if sales rep for, okay, is if job title equals to self rep ni, so then apa dia 1000, bonus will be equals to 1000, and so on. Kita akan buat 4 kali if then. So we are using if then. Okay, so we are using if then. The if then, okay, if then statement execute a SAS statement for observation that meet specific conditions. Jadi specific condition maksudnya kita bagi conditions, and then from that condition we give the assignment, okay, assignment statement, okay, specific assignment statement for that kind of conditions. For example, kita bagi sini if job title equals to sales rep 4, then bonus is equals to 1000, is 1000, then kemudian if else, okay, else if, okay, else if, okay, job title equals to, okay, else if sampailah habis the category, okay. So automatically SAS dia akan assign what we have do this assignment tu lah, okay, based on the category yang kita bagi, okay, on the assignment statement kita, okay. Jadi ini adalah conditions, and then the results dia adalah yang ni, okay, assignment statement kita, okay. Jadi expressions defines a conditions, expressions yang ni lah. Ini in general. This is in general if expressions. So expression kita yang ni lah. So this is expressions. This is condition. Okay, expression is conditions. And then statement. Statement apa dia? Statement can be any executable SAS statement. Okay, any executable SAS statement. For example, the assignment statement yang kita bagi ni lah. Okay, so assignment statement can be execute. Okay, this is execute. Maksudnya, it is maksudnya kita instruct, okay, give instruction to the SAS to make a bonus, okay, for the observation that we are detect as sales rep for, we're giving the bonus 1000. Okay, so that's how this statement is done. Okay, it is work. Okay. Okay, so if expression is true, then the statement execute. Kalau based on, kalau SAS baca for every single of the observation itu, okay, if that true based on the condition yang kita bagi, then statement will be execute. Statement ini akan di execute. Okay, bonus equals 1000 itu, okay, ataupun any statement ataupun any condition itu yang true, okay, so the corresponding bonus, the corresponding assignment statement will be execute, okay. Okay, that's how the if then is works, okay, in SAS. So this is the process, okay, conditional processing for the for the programs, yang program ni lah. Okay. For example, kalau the value assigned to bonus is determined by the testing for various value of job title. So dia akan ni lah. So you can do ini bukan if then sajalah. If then berapa kali? Kalau ada 4 kali sini 4 kali kan. So you mix you buatlah, okay? If then itu 4 kali. Okay? Jadi dibuat 4 kali, okay, until the last category itu, okay? Then dia akan jadi macam ni lah. The process is like this flowchart lah. Okay. In which kalau kita tengok, kalau ikut urutan macam ni lah. Okay. If then itu yang dimasukkan dalam condition dia adalah sales rep untuk first. If itu adalah sales rep for. Okay. Kalau dia kata this is true, then yang lain akan no lah. Okay. If yes, okay, maka dia akan terus berjalan juga, dia check the whole. Okay. Kalau no, dia akan terus okay, check benda yang sama, maksudnya dia akan ulang, dia check satu-satu. Okay, walaupun dia dah jumpa the true one. Okay, the true one. Okay. Itu proses dalam if then lah. If then dia akan check the whole conditions, walaupun although the SAS itu sendiri has found the true statement lah. Okay, the true statement. Okay. So kalau dia kata yes, maka dia akan balik ke sini juga check sales manager pula. Okay, yes juga. Kalau no, maka dia akan direct terus ke bawah. Dia check juga satu-satulah semua. Okay. Okay. Every conditions will be checked by when you are using if then. Okay, bila you gunakan if then. Okay, macam ni lah. If then. So this is the process. Okay, as given example here. So PDV, when the set is read by the SAS, okay, by SAS, so automatically dalam PDV, okay, the first observation dia akan baca satu-satu. The first observations dia baca lah. Okay, so kalau dia baca sales manager on the first observations, so dia akan check satu-satu. If this is false, so dia tak ni lah, dia tak tulis sebagai 1000. Okay, and then dia check lagi, dia ada if sales manager, then it is true, therefore dia tulis terus 1500. Okay, tapi seterusnya dia akan baca juga. Okay, dia tak akan berhenti kat situ. Dia maksudnya dia akan naik terus. Dan dia berhenti kat sales manager, dia tak. Dia terus, dia akan check satu-satu. Okay, walaupun it is false. Okay. Bila habis baru dia naik atas check another observation pula. Okay. Until the observations is end ataupun end of file. The last observations. Dia akan berpusing banyak kali lah. Okay, kalau ada 160, if we have 160 observation, therefore the process will be repeated 160. Okay. Okay, so this is output. Okay. So we can see here, sales manager 1500 given sales manager 105,000. Okay, but sales rep 2 dia tak ada. Why? Sebab dia tak ada 4. So dia akan the data will be missing values lah. Okay. So the data will be missing values. Okay. So the others, kalau sales rep is 4. Okay, kalau sales rep 4 ada dalam ni kan, sales rep 4. So ada 1000 dia bagi. So 1000. So itu. Okay. So that's how the if then is conducted. The process of if then. Okay, let's say we have kita cuba run. Okay, lib name Orion. Okay, so we try to run the apa dia kena type. Okay, ambil yang ni lah satu. Okay, so kita ada self manager, sales manager, then senior sales manager, senior sales manager, then the last one is chief sales manager, chief sales officer. So this is 1000, 4000, this is 2000, 2000. Okay, okay, so print data sama dengan comp run okay, so this is, so there are so many missing values because of what? Because we are omitting the others job title lah. Okay, that's why there are missing values. And kita tak mention in the conditional lah. Okay, in this conditionals kita tak mention lah. So that's why there are missing values. Okay. Okay, in the multiple choice pool, in the previous program, it is possible for more than one condition to be true for a single observations. Okay, so actually no, so the condition are mutually exclusive, so only one condition can be true. Okay, so tak boleh, here it must be one conditions, only true, one true, tak boleh dua, because of what? Nanti ada dua jawapan lah, nanti pening lah SAS. That's why they just choose one lah. Okay, for each observation there is only one value for job title. If that value matches one of the conditions, then it cannot match any other conditions. Okay, okay, so the next is, other than we are using if, okay, repeatedly in the previous, Okay, we can also add another else, okay, in the statement of if, which is the first begin with if else ini, okay, else if statement ni. Okay, the first statement untuk if itu kita mulakan dengan if only, but when it's come to the next, okay, conditions will be else if, okay. This mean this is actually the process, the results actually the same, but the process in the SAS itu dia lain sikit. Okay, so kita just gunakan sama saja, just add else, okay, in the beginning of if itu, on the second and forward lah, okay, onwards, okay, onwards, conditions, the second condition onwards, okay. Okay, else if, okay, benda sama, cuma ni you are add else. So apa tujuan else if, okay. So kalau nampak tadi, okay, we have kalau gunakan just if, okay, in each of the conditions, okay, dia akan check all the conditions, okay. Okay, okay, dia akan check the whole conditions, okay, condition 1, condition 2, condition 3, condition 4. Okay, dia akan check walaupun the condition has been found, the true condition has been found, but the SAS will read the whole conditions, okay. Okay, but for else if, okay, bila the true is found, then dia terus pergi naik terus, the next observation terus, okay. Dia tak perlu dah check each of the observations, okay. Itu bezanya di antara proses dia lah, the process is different, okay. Kalau tengok sini, if yes, then dia terus pergi ke bawah, okay. If no, dia akan check the next, okay. Okay, okay, so it is else, okay. Why the process sama, the result dia sama, cuma the process behind the scene itu, okay, is different lah, okay. So for example, kita ada di sini, yang ni contohnya. So this is the process. If false, then dia akan check the next, if the found the observation, if the condition is true, okay, dalam observation itu dia jumpa sales manager, okay, okay, then dia akan bagi bonus 1,500, okay, then terus dia stop, terus run, then naik the next observation pula dia check, okay. Kalau yang tadi, kalau just if, so dia check, okay, walaupun it is the condition have been found, the true condition has been found, okay. Okay, so itu bezanya di antara else if dengan if saja, okay. So else if dia akan direct, okay, if the true condition has been found, then run will be, ataupun the process of writing the bonus itu, values of bonus itu, dia terus directly to write it and then go to the next observations, okay. So itu if then. So this is proc print, okay, output when we are using if then, okay. Sama sajalah result dia, okay. Result is the same, okay, as in the if statement, okay. Okay, the next, you faham sini apa beza di antara else if. The result is the same, output, okay, we get the same results, the same output. Okay. But the process behind lah. Okay. Itu yang berbeza. Okay. Boleh eh? Okay, so the next business scenario. Okay, Orion Star Management wants to modify the bonus plans as defined below. Okay, this means macam mana pula if the bonus is the bonus will be the same bonus will be given to the sales rep 3 and sales rep 4. Okay, so how to write the statement of the as if itulah. Okay, so this mean and then satu lagi adalah all other titles. Maksudnya kita akan bagi selain daripada yang kita mention here, okay, we'll give 500. Okay, job titles. Others titles, job titles will be given 500. Okay, jadi there is no more missing value lah kalau kita gunakan all others titles because previously we choose only 4 and the others will be kept as missing values. Okay, so this is will be maksudnya takkan ada yang missing value lah. Okay, tak akan ada yang tak dapat bonus. Okay, and also there is a same bonus for the two type of job title. So how to write it? Okay, so we are using or saja. Kita tambah or saja dalam tu. Okay, contohnya kalau ada dua, okay, or itu maksudnya kedua-duanya itu dapat lah. Okay, sama ada sales rep 3 or sales rep 4. So we just add or saja tu. If or then bonus equals to 1000. Okay, 1000. Okay, so itu bezanya, tak ada beza. Yang lain pula, yang maksudnya yang all others the remaining titles will be given 500. Maksudnya tak kira lah. Okay, selain daripada atas ni, maka kita kena bagi 500. So, just letak dekat hujung tu ada else. Okay, maksudnya it is other than what we mentioned in the above. Okay, above statement ni lah. Okay, so all the data will be have values of bonus. Okay, akan ada bonus dia lah. Okay, so there's no missing values. Okay, jadi ni so kalau yes then terus, kalau yes then terus, kalau ini yes then terus, kalau no dia akan direct cari mana yang ada true. Okay, kalau semuanya not true, dia akan pergi bonus equals to 500. Then dia akan bagi siapa-siapa yang tidak ada yang data dia tu, kalau dia tak tengok tak parallel with this kan dibaca satu-satu observation kan. So bila baca satu observations semua ni tak ada, maka dia akan bagi yang ni. Okay, bonus dia akan bagi yang ni. Okay, so itu or and else. Okay, so ada dua yang kita tambah sini or. Okay, maksudnya kita akan bagi kedua-duanya sama, benda sama, iaitu 1000. Okay, and then else kita tambah sini else bonus untuk the others from what we mention here. Okay, at the above statements. Okay, okay, boleh. So that's how the process is. Contohnya kita ambil we try to run it. Okay, okay, so we have this. Kita boleh sambung sini kalau cukup. Okay, then kita bagi dia situ bawah. Okay, else if Okay, jadi itu. Then kita run. Oh, sorry. Okay, so print. Okay, so as stated here, we'll get no more missing values. Okay. Now, okay, so as stated in the slide lah, sama. Okay, boleh. Ada soalan ke? Before we proceed to another business scenario, the use of else if, else, or. Okay. Okay. Any other questions? Okay, tak ada. So the next business scenario, Orion Star managers are considering a country-based bonus. Creates a new SAS dataset named work.bonus. Use Orion sales as input. The value of the new variables bonus is based on country. Okay. So kita bagi based on country pula. Okay. Okay. Kita bagi bonus based on country. Okay. So ni sama jugalah. Just kalau ada dua. Kalau ada dua saja, then kita just tak ada dah else if. Just if else. Okay. If else. Itu saja bezanya lah. Okay. Okay. So kita just gunakan if else. Boleh Boleh nampak perbezaan dengan sebelum ni? Can you see the difference? So we are using just else, if, and else. If there are two choices ataupun two category. If you have only two category to use the if else, okay. So this is the way how we write the if else. Just if dengan else. Tak perlu dah else if. Else if kalau more than 3 more than 2. Okay. More than 2, then we can use else if. Okay. Okay. And then ada lagi satu lah. Okay. Maksudnya else ini maksudnya dia akan bagi apa-apa selain daripada US, capital letter US. Okay, dia akan bagi semua. Tak kira lah huruf kecil ke huruf besar ke, semua ni dia akan bagi 300 juga. Okay. Other than US, capital letter of US, okay, the SAS will give bonus 300 for each of the observation. Itulah yang tidak ada selain daripada US. Huruf besar US ni. So that's why all observations not equal to US are assigned a bonus of 300. Maksudnya AU dibagi juga, okay? Dan huruf kecil, huruf besar pun dibagi juga, okay? Okay? For example, kita cuba run ni, okay? Okay, try to run it. Okay, print bonus. So if you look into the country lah, kita ambil country jap. Tengok country. Jadi kalau ni AU betul lah kan, 300, 300, AU US 500. US 500 as stated in the Okay, 500. Okay, US, 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 US. Okay, itulah. Okay, so that's how the AU and US. Okay, okay, so this is the output as we run just now lah. Okay, as we display just now. Okay, and then let's say so we take this this okay, sama juga is else tapi data yang lain lah, non sales ni. Okay, so what will be the data display? Okay, kita cuba bonus work pin bonus mahal. Probable last name not found, tak ada last name. Okay, so just now we are actually assigning US capital letter US 5S 500 bonus. Okay, the other country will be for example AU we have 300 lah. Okay, we expecting that kan. Okay, but actually in the mana tadi? In the output, we can see that AU maksudnya US tadi kita bagi 500, right? Okay, 500, 500, 500. Okay. But they also AU kita tahulah other than US, right? Okay. Yang kita expect US dengan US will be 300 and AU US will be 500 and US will be 300 500 and AU will be 300, right? Okay. Okay, so this is not kalau AU kita bagilah maksudnya betul lah kan. Okay, and small letter of AU pun supposed to be 300. Okay, the problem is okay, SAS also gives the value mana small letter of US gives 300. By right it should be 500, right? Okay, sebab kita bagilah US ini. US supposed to be 500. Disebabkan dia huruf kecil, so SAS baca ni sebagai other than US. Other than US capital, other than US huruf besar ni lah. So dia tak anggap sebagai US jugalah. Okay, so dia other than US. So itu the problems. That is the problems. So to solve that problems ada beberapa cara lah. Okay, so sama ada we are using if country in, kita bagi dia punya apa, this is operator, operator dia country in ini operator in which kita bagi maksudnya US or US, huruf besar, okay, capital letter of US or small letter of US. So maksudnya ini betul lah. Okay, we expecting US will get 500. Okay, so kalau AU capital letter of AU and small letter of AU will be given 300. Okay, so ini yang betul. Ataupun we are using upcase. Okay, kita jadikan dia upcase. Okay, kalau yang kecil itu huruf kecil kita besarkan. Jadi automatically, okay, US, okay, yang kita letak sini upcase ataupun huruf besar ni, okay, country itu kita jadikan dia upcase. Semuanya upcase, huruf kecil jadi upcase, upcase. Dia tahu upcase kan, dia beri huruf besar lah, capital letter. Okay, dia akan jadikan capital letter. The data itu will be becomes a capital letter. Okay, huruf besar. Okay, so automatically huruf kecil yang ada dalam data itu become capital letter. Okay, so dia akan baca sebagai capital letter lah. Okay, so automatically sama ada dia huruf kecil, huruf besar, US dalam data will be given bonus equals to 500. Okay, okay, so understand that? You get the ideas behind it? Maksudnya to solve the problems of the kalau capital lah ini ya. Okay, capital letter or small letter. Okay. Okay. Jadi dua cara. Contohnya yang ni kita run, try to run. Okay, kalau ini memang masalah lah. Okay, sebab dia bagi US. So the solution is this. We use in. Okay. Kita gunakan if case then else. Okay. Ada dua cara. Kita run. Kita ambil propin, mana propin, bonus. So dia akan jadi semua huruf besar dah. Huruf kecil, mana huruf kecil yang US? Huruf kecil US, huruf kecil US. Small letter of US. Small letter US. Small letter US. So previously it is given 300. Now we give SAS have given small letter of US as 500. Okay. So itu kalau kita gunakan in. Sama jugalah kalau upcase. Okay, upcase. Okay. Using upcase, the result will be the same. Okay. Okay. So when we run it, kita cuba propin the bonus. The same results. IU 300 US, small letter of US, so 500. Okay. Okay. Boleh? Semua boleh ya? So, okay, the next. Any questions before we discuss the next business scenario? Any problems? Any questions? Adakah? Okay, so we proceed with the business scenario. The next business scenario. Orion Star employees receive a bonus once or twice a year in addition to bonus. Add a new variable which is frag that is equal to the following. Maksudnya other than we give bonus, a new variable we add a new variable which is frag in which the frag variable itu we give the statements ataupun data sebagai once a year, okay, untuk United States employee dan twice a year for Australians employee. So ini kita bagi, ini data dia lah, once a year and twice a year. Okay. So how to give? Maksudnya for each of the observation kita ada other than bonus, we have to add another variables which is frag. But for Australians, it is must be stated in the frag twice a year. For United States will be in the frag will be the data is once a year. So that is the data that manager wants to display ataupun to get lah. Okay. Okay. So we are using if then else if. Okay. Benda sama, cumanya we buat for before this. Okay, kalau sebelum ni kita just use the one assignment statement, kita just gunakan bonus 500. We can also add another or maybe more than one lah. Okay, meaning that you can add more than more number of variables lah, number of assignment statement. Okay, kalau sebelum ni bonus saja, so just use frac. Okay, and just state the frac the assignment statement. For frac equals to, kalau US you give once a year, for AU you give a bonus 300. Okay, in which it is twice a year untuk for Australia. Okay, just add another assignment statement. Okay, dalam statement yang ni, if then ini, else if expressions, ini condition yang kita bagi, then statement is assignment statement, it can be more than one. Okay, it can be more than one. So kalau these problems, for if we solve the problems in the bonus in the business scenario just now, so we just add two, okay, bonus and frac. Okay, so kita tambah satu lagi lah, frac. Okay, so kat sini, so we are using, but the we are no longer using the if else lah, if no longer using the still using the if else, but we add another do, do statement. Okay, then do, kita tambah do sini, and then setiap do we have to end with n. Okay, after do tu ada n kat bawah. Kalau more than two assignment statement lah. Okay, kalau more than two assignment statement kena gunakan do. Okay, okay, so that is the difference between the previous is if else lah. Okay, if we are using the two assignment statement, okay, so kita gunakan do and if, do and. Else if, benda sama juga kita buat, ada juga else if dia untuk the next conditions, for the next conditions. Okay, tapi every conditions ada statement do. Okay, ada do di ujung dia lah. Okay, so do dengan and. Okay, itu yang bezanya lah. Okay, ini untuk forward when you are when you have more than one assignment statement. Assignment statement kita sini, do itu merujuk pada assignment statement of two. Kalau satu saja tak payah pakai do, just put here. Okay, in the do. Okay, okay, no need to use do when we have one assignment statement. But if it is more than one, we have to use do. Do is maksudnya a functions untuk menunjukkan bahawa kita add more than one assignment statement. So after the assignment statement, kena ada n di ujung dia. Ada n. Okay. So this is for US. Okay. We give the bonus 500 and then frac once a year. Okay. And then after that, untuk AU pula, we have to specify it. Okay, tak boleh gunakan else. Okay, sebab kita ada lagi bonus. Okay. Selain daripada bonus, kita kena bagi frac lagi. Okay. Kalau misalnya, for example, it's just giving the bonus saja. Okay, with no frac. Okay, tak ada frac, maka cukup kita gunakan else. Okay. Okay. Tapi kat ini ada dua. So we have to use else if, do, and. Okay. Sebab ada dua assignment statement here. Okay. The two assignment statement. Okay. Jadi itu So let's say we have to run it. Bonus country, then do bonus frac n. Else if, then do bonus twice and run. So if okay, just run, and then propin kan dia, mana propin tadi, print is apa lagi, frac. Okay, so dia bagi dah frac AU 200 semua ada, per US once a year, and so on. Okay, so let's say you are using three assignment stem ataupun add another variables, 3 variables contohnya. Tambahlah sini 3 jadi 3. This is also 3, okay, and so on. Okay, so this is how the do statement is work, okay, in SAS. Okay, truncations, ada truncation juga lah. Okay, so in frac there are some truncations happening in the data set of AU sebab dia panjang sikit kan. So R itu hilang. Okay, R is not appear in the data. Okay, so in order to do that you have to maybe the length okay, give the length last. Okay, ini proses dia lah. Okay, the length itu kita bagi length. So in order to avoid the truncations, okay, data truncations, okay, in the data set, so we have to give the length for frac. Okay, yang ni lah length frac, okay, $sign 12. Okay, sebab dia character, so that's why kita bagi $signs and then 12. Okay, so that's how the length, this is length lah. Okay, general form of the length statement, length variables, and then this is the kalau numeric just ignore the $sign and then give the length. Okay, it is a good practice to use length statement anytime that you create a new character variables. So keep in mind lah. Okay, you have to maybe in most of the time you have to state the length lah. Okay, especially when we are dealing with the data ataupun karakter yang terlalu panjang, right? Okay, so you have to give the length. Okay, to avoid the truncation lah. Okay, okay, so this is ini PDV lah, proses dia macam mana berlaku. Okay, so there's no more truncations in the data set. Okay, in the observations twice a year, okay, and so on. Okay, so that's all. Thank you. We have it is end of the chapter 9. Any questions? Ada soalan? Chapter 9 kita dah habis. Okay, kalau tak ada, kita buat exercise lah. Okay, we do some exercise to reinforce the concept discussed previously.
Sir, boleh ke ulang dekat part truncation tu? Saya tak sempat nak type.
Truncations.
Tengok
Truncation.
slide dekat truncation tu.
Tadi, yang ni lah. Okay. Mana tadi? Nah, inilah. Okay, define character variables. Kita define character variables, the length lah, especially the length lah. Okay. So, to avoid truncations. Kita nak elakkan daripada the data is truncated. So, we have to state the length lah. Okay. We need to set the length of the variables. By default, macam biasalah, 8. Okay. Okay. By default, 8.
Sir,
Okay. Dah, boleh. Okay, so we do some exercise. Everyone exercise sajalah. Okay. Concatenating. Wow. Matching data. Okay, so kita pergi exercise. Saya akan bagi soalan dalam tu. Okay, cuba buat. Data apa benda ni? 109 edition E04. 109 E04. Data apa ni? Okay, ini data orders. Data order. Okay, do the exercise 105. Okay. 105. Yang first question is orders, data orders. The second data adalah supplier. Data supplier. Untuk soalan nombor 5 tu, supplier. Okay. Nombor 4, orders. Data orders. Orders. Order. Okay. Boleh share screen? Siapa-siapa yang dah siap? Ada yang siap? Boleh.
Kakak ingat bumi kakak mengajak tapi dengan syarat kakak mengaji sekolah dan pergi sekolah, okay?
Berapa nak? Berapa kak dia nak kata? Ha? Bagian berapa bagian? Sini. Kak berapa ni?
Abang, elok bagi ikut email kau, bagi ikut WhatsApp bang, kalau nota. Nota ni nota yang agak confidential.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ada satu kebakaran di jalan Beta Kiara berhampiran dengan Solaris Mon Kiara. Berhampiran betul-betul dalam IKL project. Okay. Kami bertugas di BKL. Frontliner. Kemas. Okay.
Tak ada dah. Okay, ada yang dapat ke? Keluar dari belakang ni. Okay, ada yang dapat adakah? Oh, mungkin masalah turut tak ingat program tak ingat statement command Ada yang dapat ke? Kalau tak dapat apalah kita nanti you buatlah nanti boleh. Nanti ada tak boleh dapat you tanya saya lah. Okay. You boleh tengok video yang di share tu lah. Okay. Okay, kalau saya dapat upload yang ni, insyaAllah boleh saya upload lah. Hari tu video yang saya yang di apa? Yang di record dia tu tak sempat jadi korak. Tak boleh ni sebab tak ada laptop mati terus So tak sempat nak download. Jadi tak boleh nak share yang hari tu lah, kelas hari tu. InsyaAllah yang hari ni, insyaAllah saya akan cuba ni lah. Cuba download. Kalau berjaya saya akan upload ke YouTube dan share dengan you lah semua. Okay. Cuba ni lah. Cuba solve di exercise tu. Okay. Kalau tak dapat, tanya saya lah. Okay. Boleh Ada lagi kah?
Mula main tak nampak lagi.
Hello, Assalamualaikum.
Anak saya nak ni.
Ada soalan ke?
Buatkan lah ni. Nak buat je.
Okay, kalau tak ada soalan kita itu saja untuk hari ini. Apa-apa soalan, apa-apa masalah berkaitan dengan exercise tadi, just PM lah. Okay. Saya cuba jawab lah apa yang saya cuba. Okay lah, bagi masa untuk jawab apa-apa saja persoalan. Okay, so that's all. See you next class. Okay, jangan lupa next week we have the test on apa dia? Tuesday kan? On Khamis Khamis. So please be ready. Dia sampai chapter 10 kan? Sampai chapter 10. Jadi next week kita cuba habiskan chapter 10. InsyaAllah boleh siap. Okay, see you next class. Assalamualaikum. Okay, welcome.
Nak lagi macam.